Introducing the Booyco Electronics CXS Proximity Detection System. Why do we need the Booyco system? See what can happen if you are not warned that a machine is near you. If the pedestrian was warned in time about an approaching machine, the accident could have been avoided. The Booyco CXS system was developed with your safety in mind. A large warning field is generated around a machine. This field will activate the pedestrian alarm in your personal warning device, giving you ample warning that you are close to a machine. The operator will also receive alarms while you are still inside the warning field around the machine. The yellow and red fields around a machine are called hazard fields. Entering any of these fields around a machine will trigger a response and warnings in the vehicle. The warning and hazard fields penetrate through rock or coal, activating the pedestrian warning system even before the machine is visible. Note that the pedestrian warning system was already on before the machine became visible. Note that the pedestrian stopped walking when he received the alarm. Here is a brief explanation of the hazard fields. The yellow field is called the slowdown hazard field. When the pedestrian enters this field, both the operator and pedestrian will be warned. You are not allowed in this field as it is too close to the machine for your safety. The hazard field is shaped to allow a machine to pass while you are still in a safe position. The following scene shows where you will be safe when a machine drives by. When you receive a warning, stop and check where it is coming from, and move to a safe area once you know, to avoid getting too close to it. When you enter this field, you will trigger a signal to the machine to slow down, as well as a warning in the cab for the operator. The yellow element in the BHU will also be switched on when a pedestrian is in the slow down hazard field, to serve as an additional warning. This field is also out of bounds and you are not allowed to enter into it under any circumstances. If you accidentally find yourself in the slow down hazard field, the machine speed will be reduced. The stop hazard field is colored in red and, as is the case with all hazard fields, you are not permitted to enter this field when a vehicle is moving. You will always receive warnings when a machine is near you. Take the appropriate action to prevent accidents. Remember that the brakes will be slammed on hard and that your actions may cause the operator to be injured during an emergency stop. It is your duty to remain outside the hazard field at all times. Note that the pedestrian warning is already on, but the man continued walking past the corner. He should have stopped and checked where the signal is coming from before crossing over. Make sure your equipment is working before going to site. Your buzzer must be working to give you warnings in time. The Booyco cap lamp tag is inside the cap lamp's top cover. Take care of your warning device. Don't tamper with it. It can save your life. Test it daily at the test points provided. When you collect your lamp, do a visual inspection of the buzzer and the cable. Report any suspect lamp to the lampsmen. Test the buzzer at the test point by standing inside the test area. The buzzer will flash green, yellow and red, indicating that the buzzer has passed the test. The cap lamp headpiece will also flash, indicating that the test was passed. If any of the tests fail, return the lamp to the lampsman on duty. Test point scenario. When you approach the test point and the yellow light does not change, the system is faulty and you are not allowed to work with it. Call the technician on duty and retest at the test station before entering the workplace. Robot test point scenario. When you approach the test point and the two red lights do not change to green, the system is faulty and you are not allowed to work with it. Call the technician on duty and retest at the test station before entering the workplace. Man-down feature scenario. The Booyco CXS system has a man-down feature. When a pedestrian falls on the ground, other pedestrians will be made aware of the man-down in their close proximity. Equipment operators close by will also be made aware. Always move to the safe area when you receive a warning. This will ensure that machines are not stopped when you are in an unsafe area and production will not be interfered with. Vehicle-to-vehicle warning. The Booyco CXS proximity detection system also has a vehicle-to-vehicle warning. When the operator receives any warnings from the system or pedestrians, he or she needs to take the appropriate action. Always be on the lookout for pedestrians who may stray into dangerous areas around machines. If pedestrians have right-of-way, stop and allow them to proceed safely. Remember the golden rules. Stay out of hazard areas around machines. Move to safe areas when you are warned. Together, we can make mining safer. Thank you.